It's a rare thing to find a solid-state drive, whether M2 or SATA, that truly stands from the pack these days, as drive makers have gotten better and better at manufacturing storage devices that are faster and more reliable than ever. The gap in prices and performance between the bottom tier and high end of the SSD spectrum has narrowed from a canyon to crack. So that's why it's nice when drives like ADATA XPG SX8200 Pro come along. Out of the box, ADATA SX8200 Pro is just the SSD and an included heatsink, starting at the base model of 256GB for $74.99. The heart of ADATA XPG SX8200 Pro is an 8-channel Silicon Motion SM2266EN controller. That controller is paired with Micron's latest 64-layer 3D TLC NAND, flash memory and a few pieces of Nania DRAM cache memory. The drive features a PCIe Gen X4 interface and support for the NVMe 1.3 specification. Speaking of the build quality, the drive has a black PCB and the SM controller is same as that used in Intel 600p series, means the quality is obviously top of the line. And the heatsink that comes with the drive, I'm really skeptical if it really is a heatsink, though ADATA advertises it as a heatsink or heat spreader. But it seems to be more of a stylish sticker, as the temperature with and without the heatsink were almost the same. So that's pretty much with all the physical aspects of the drive. Let's dive right into the benchmark. And all of that which this SSD offers is backed up with 5 years of warranty. This means that if this drive is gonna last for 5 years, believe me, it's gonna last forever. ZForce Gaming does not do paid reviews, and neither do we take approval before uploading the video, which means ADATA is watching this video at the same time as you are. Head over to the link in the description for the detailed review of this product on PGRepublic.com. And with that being said, until next time my friends, take care, goodbye.